What's up, my beauties? A love for beauty here, and today we are doing a versus video. So we're gonna go with Blonde versus Brunette. Between these two wigs that I purchased for you, these are some of the best wigs I have seen out on the market. These are synthetic wigs, guys. They look like human hair lace wigs. A lot of synthetic wigs in the market, but I have to say I'm obsessed with all of these, so I'm excited to show you how they look. I'm going to take them out the packet and we're going to get started. So if this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching. By Sensational as well, and this is an instant weave, 60 seconds, and the name of this is Almani in the color 1B. And I got this as well, and I got this as well off the Sam's Beauty website. This one I'm very excited to try. Like, this one's like, I've seen so many people do reviews on this wig, and I saw it. I was like, oh, I have to get this one. It's like the instant baddie wig. So let's take it out the package. And this is how it's coming. Packaging here. Alright, so it comes like this. And this is what the packaging says here. Almani 1B. And this is how it looks on the model. Of course you can make it bigger and fuller. Oh, I'm loving these curls. Oh my gosh, they're so... Oh my gosh, this looks so real. These curls. It's like a natural... Look at the ends. Look at this wig, guys. Look at the ends of the curls. I'm impressed. And this is the lace wig. Wow. So the inside, of course, comes with one comb here. It's two combs and then one at the bottom. So one on the top and then one at the bottom, and then it has the two drawstrings so that you can tighten the wig onto your head here and here. And this is what the inside of the lace wig is looking like. Excited. It's actually a half wig. This one is in the lace front, but you're supposed to take your real hair out, or maybe I could do something with this part and blend it in. I don't want to poof it out yet, but look at this hair. It looks so natural. This is the half wig. This is the half wig. I got the one that was the half wig. This isn't the one with the... This isn't a lace front, actually. This one is a half wig, so you have to blend your natural hair in with it. So I went ahead and curled these off camera to blend in with the wig, and we're going to see how this looks, guys. Hold on. Alright, so... we are just going to try to style this the best way we know how. Let me go ahead and bobby pin this wig down on the sides. Alright, sorry, it's getting kind of poofy. I already started messing with it, which I probably shouldn't have. This hair can get really big because I want it kind of tame. Alright, I like it. I'm embracing this look. I have the Tina Turner vibes right now. I feel like Tina Turner with this hair. Big hair, don't care. I like it. It's different. I like it a lot. I really do. So this is... I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the final result of the hair. On the packaging, it says deep center part, and it is a lace frontal wig. I didn't even know that they made lace frontal wigs in synthetic hair. This is all new to me. I've never been a synthetic girl. I've always been about human raw hair or just human virgin. So I am back. We are going to get started with this one, and this is called Anya in 613, guys. And she is a full curly lace frontal wig. Let's open her up and see what she's looking like. Comes wrapped up like this in a hairnet, and if this paper good, just take that out. Alrighty, and let me just remove the tag really quick. I've been all about human hair, 100% virgin human hair or raw hair. I've never been into synthetic hair. When I saw somebody do a review on this on YouTube, I had to have this wig. Actually, both of these wigs by this company. So, and this isn't new. A lot of people have already done reviews on these wigs. So, all right, so let's get started. So this is what the lace is looking like. I don't like that it's dark. That's only one thing I don't like about the lace. It's very dark. So, but I think it's gonna work out because of the parting space is pretty big, and I like that a lot. And it looks transparent, pretty clear, so that's good. All right, guys. So it comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side here, as you can see, and 1 down here at the bottom. And it also comes with the straps, so you can tighten it onto your hair right here. And this is what the inside of it's looking like. All right, so let's put it on and see what it's looking like. What it's looking like in the front, which I'm really loving the hair. It's already kind of plucked. Probably want to pluck it a little bit more, I'm not sure yet. But this is how she's looking, and then the middle part is here. And I don't like that this lace is very dark. That's the only thing I don't like. So, I'm probably just gonna, we'll see how it works. But I'm loving this color because it's not like a yellow color. It's more of a dirty blonde, and it's very long. So, if I stand up, you can see that it's all the way to, I want to say past the belly button. It's pretty long. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to work on gluing this down and make sure this is cut evenly, because I can't see right now what I'm doing. With my Got To Be freeze spray and just glue the sides. I always like to leave a little bit of lace. I'm really anal about that. I don't know. I hate when I watch videos and girls do the lace wigs and they completely cut the lace off. It's almost like you can't even see it. Like, I need to see a little bit of the lace. You can always blend it in or do something with it to fix it. I'm one of those girls. how I'm gonna style it, how I wear it. Okay, so now I'm gonna style it with these. So now I'm gonna style it with these elastic bands here. We go in and figure out how I'm gonna style this. And I think I'm gonna do 2 high top buns or 2 ponytails off to the side on the top of the head. Because it only has one part in the middle, so I'm limited on the styles that I can do with this wig. Side and just repeat the same process. Get another band. So I could either wear it like this, as a style like this, which gives me the like baby doll little girl vibe, which is kind of cute. It's not bad at all. I'm feeling this. It's different, but maybe not with this shirt, but like dolled up. Alright guys, so I have never been blonde and I kind of like this. I've been blonde once, but it was years ago, and it was kind of like the orangish blonde yellow tint color, not the dirty blonde like this one, but I'm really feeling this and I like it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and all the different hairs, blonde versus brunette. So I'm confused with which one I like, because I like the blonde and I like the brunette. So you tell me, comment below which one you think is your favorite wig color, or which one you think looks best on me, the blonde or the brunette, or both of them. I like them both. So see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.